Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of OI, change in OI, and we will also check out the trend cycle for the Bank Nifty and Nifty. We will start with Bank Nifty, and first we will check out the closing price of Bank Nifty. The closing price of Bank Nifty is 17,278.90 is on 22nd May. And we are talking about the May expiry, the monthly expiry, which is at 28th May. Now we will go through the Y column, both put and call, to find out the highest call and highest put, and this will decide the trading range of Bank Nifty. And first of all, we'll do the find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty, and for that purpose we will find out where is the highest call. And if we go through this column, we will find that here is around 8,23,000 contracts are open at 18,000, followed by 6,42,000 contracts are open at 19,000. So these are the important level, and these are the highest call. Also, if you check this, around 5 lakh contracts are added on last day at 18,000. So this is going to be very important level for the Bank Nifty, as around 5 lakh contracts are added in change in OI last day. Also this level, here you can see around 3 lakh contracts are added at 17,500. So this is also going to be an important level for Bank Nifty. Now if we go through this column to find out highest put, then we will find that, see here, around 4,37,000 contracts are added at 17,000 strike, and it is the highest support for Bank Nifty, followed by 3,50,000 contracts at 16,000. So 17,000 is going to be the highest support for the Bank Nifty, followed by this 16,000, and you can see this one at 16,500. Here you can see around 1,50,000 contracts are added at 16,500, and here 1,72,000 contracts, and here you can see at 17,000 1,37,000 contracts are added at 17,000 strike and put. So these are the important support for the Bank Nifty. The highest support for the Bank Nifty is going to be at 17,000 strike, and it is the immediate support for the Bank Nifty as well. And second, the highest will be at 16,000, and third highest support will be at 16,500. And we talk about the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty, then we can see here, you can see immediate resistance for the Bank Nifty is here at 17,400. Here we have around 4 lakh contracts, and the highest resistance is here at 18,000. So these are the important level on the OI change and OI. Now if you check this column, this all are red. This indicates the call writing was there, and this column you can see the all green. This indicates the put buying was there in last few session. So this is an clear indication. This is a clear indication that the weakness in Bank Nifty. And if we talk about the pivot level, then here is the pivot level 17,500. See this one, 17,500, around 3,87,000 contracts are open over here, and around 2,25,000 put contracts are open here as well. And also the main thing is here the unwinding at 17,500. So this is going to be the pivot level. Below this, the Nifty will try to go towards 17,000, 16,500. Above this, Nifty will try to cross 18,000. So this is the important levels, and the trading range for Bank Nifty as of now looks as 16,000 to 18,500. This is going to be the trading range for the Bank Nifty. keeping the pivot level 17,500. Another thing, that highest call and highest put has been shifted down for the bank nifty. This also indicates the weakness in bank nifty. And now we will also check out the trend cycle. Before that, we will move towards nifty and try to analyze what is going on in nifty. The first of all, if we check out the closing price of nifty is 9039.25 on 22nd May, and we are talking about May monthly expiry. Now time to find out the trading range, highest call and highest put. The range between these two levels will be the trading range. For finding trading range, we will go through this column, and you can see here around 19,000 contracts at 9,300 strike fall, and here around 25,000 contracts at 9,500 strike. So 9,500 strike is going to be a very important level for the nifty. And here you can see change in Y around 4 lakh at 9,600. Also you can see a little change in Y addition, actually addition in Y here you can see. So these are the important level for nifty in call side, this one and this one. If we talk about immediate resistance for nifty, then 9,100 is going to be the immediate resistance, followed by this one 9,200. So these are the important level. And also you can see this one, huge call rating are still over here at 9,000, and also around 4,50,000 contracts are added in OI last day. So this is the very important level. 9,000 is very important level for the nifty. Now if we go through this column to find out where is the highest put, see here around 32 lakh contracts are open at 9,000. So this is very important level for nifty, as both put writers and call writers are over here. So we can see this is the pivot level for the nifty, followed by here 8,800 and this one 8,500. So these are the we can see very good support around below 9,000 and very good resistance above 9,000. So we may see some range bound movement in nifty for upcoming few days, because packed resistance in upside and packed support in downside. However, here you can see around 6 lakh contracts are added at 8,800 and here at 8,600. So these are the going to be important support for the nifty if it goes down. And trading range for nifty as of now is 8,800 to 8,300. This is the trading range for the nifty, keeping the pivot level 900. Below this, nifty will try to go towards 8,800. Above this, nifty will try to go towards 9,100 and 9,200. So this is the important level. We will also check out the trend cycle and India VIX. For that purpose, we will move towards our blog. I will put the link in the video description so you can check. Here we have come. Now the India VIX is moved at 32.37. so this is a very good sign, as VIX is going down. So this is an important level, important thing that we are seeing, and so this is a positive sign for nifty. Now if we talk about the max span for bank nifty, max span is decreasing, negative, but for nifty it has increased. So this is positive. So overall bank nifty seems negative and nifty seems positive on max span level. Here is the trend cycle of bank nifty, which indicates the huge weakness in this, and here is the trend cycle of nifty, which indicates the mixed cycle. So overall session, overall both the indices looks, especially bank nifty looks weak, and whereas nifty looks mixed. So in my view, the both indices is volatile, as VIX is higher at the higher side, but a little bearish sentiment on bank nifty and range bound sentiment on nifty. This is all about nifty and bank nifty analysis. Hope you like. If you like, please share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.